Hello programmers, back to another video, and in this video I will discuss about the unknown problem, which is the brothers. And this is the problem, and it says given two person names, each person has the first name, the second name, determine whether they are brothers or not. And there is a note here. It says two persons are brothers if they share the same second name. This means if those persons names ending with same string, then I can say they are brothers. Okay, so for example, here in the input and here in the test case, the first one is Basham Ramadan and the second one is Ahmed Ramadan, and in both of their name ends with Ramadan, so they are brothers. If this is not the case, then they are not brothers. Okay, so let's jump into the code. At first, copy the question name, CPP. Okay, hash include bit slash std c plus plus dot h using namespace std integer main. Okay, so first of all I have to take two strings of those numbers of those character persons. So for example, for the first person I take the uh, first first name and last name. For example, pf means person 1, or I can say p1f, person 1 first name. Okay, and person 1 last name. Then another string person 2 first name and person 2 last name. So then take the input, in right shift person 1 and person 2. So my input part is done. Now let's check Cout if person 1 last name equal to person 2 last name. If this is equal, then they are brothers. Not actually this output, I will copy this uh, output. So if person 1 last name is equal to person 2 last name, then they are brothers. Otherwise I just copy the this string not. Okay, so this will print the actual output. Okay, so let test the source code. G++ the brothers run. So they are brothers. If I take the last example, so they are not brothers. Okay, so copy the source code, or I can directly submit it. Browse, this is from where, newcomers training, data types, and to the brothers. Open and submit. Okay, this is one is accepted. So I end up this video here, and in the next video I will solve the second question, unknown question basically, which is capital or small or digit. Okay, till then, tata, bye bye.